This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change file names on mobile for your NDA exam. First, locate the file you wish to rename on your mobile device. This could be in your downloads, documents, or a specific app folder. Next, long press the file to select it, which usually brings up a menu of options. Look for an icon or text that says rename to proceed with the process. This initial step is key to organizing your exam materials effectively. For Android users, begin by opening your device's File Manager application. Common examples include Google Files or the My Files app. Once inside, browse through your folders to find the specific document you need to rename for your NDA exam. After locating it, simply tap and hold the file until a context menu appears. From this menu, select the Rename option, which will allow you to edit the file's current name. If you're using an iOS device, such as an iPhone or iPad, start by opening the built-in Files app. This app allows you to manage all your documents and downloads. Navigate to the folder where your NDA exam-related file is saved. Once you've found the correct document, long press on its icon until a menu appears. Select the Rename option from this menu to change the file's name to meet your requirements. After renaming your file, it's crucial to double-check that it adheres to any specific naming conventions provided for your NDA exam. For example, they might require a format like Candidate Name Subject Date, PDF. This ensures your submission is correctly identified. Always review the new name to avoid any errors before submitting. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Proper file management is a small but important step towards success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.